Oh, welcome back. I'm in the kitchen today and I'm really excited. I'm about to make a new chutney. And this one is, I'm hoping it's going to appeal to people that are on the Branston side. I'm going to leave it at that. But this is obviously going to have my own little twist in it. So, guys, this is a complete experiment. Unfortunately, it will not be ready until the end of September. Normally my chutneys take 4 weeks. I'm giving this one 8 weeks. So let's get cooking. This is a very easy chutney to put together. We don't need high heat. We don't need anything like that at the moment. And it's simple. It is just chuck it in the pot and go. So I'm actually going to start with the squash, which is all nicely chopped up, because along with that and the carrots, it will be the one that I want to soften up the most. But there is a reason for me doing it like this, because I'm going to add my seasonings and everything to make sure everything is coated before I add my vinegars. So a little bit of that and some pulverised cauliflower, as I like to call it. Again, because the cauliflower is in this state, nice and easy to cook. So I'm literally, pan's warming at the moment, so it will start to heat my veg nice and through. But in the meantime, obviously, I'm just going to keep giving it a good old mix and make everything coated. So I'm going to add a bit of my seasonings that I've got here. My secret seasoning. So, unfortunately guys, yeah, it's got mustard seed in this. So, and onion, obviously. So if you have any allergies, unfortunately you can't try this one. So, as I said, you can feel the heat on this already. That's the only thing I like about the induction hob at the moment. I have actually been looking for a different chutney to make, but I want something that can appeal to the wider range of people that don't actually like chutney but enjoy a Branston pickle. So this is my knockoff version that I hopefully remind you of it, but shouldn't actually taste like it, I hope. So I'm going to put a bit of sugar in with that. And again, I'm going to mix that nice and round. I've got to thank my mum for giving me this amazing pot. This is something, I've been looking for a new one, and I find them so hard to find. So thanks, Mum. And that is because I know she will watch this video. So alright, next lot, courgettes and carrots. This is looking really full already, it's nice. Again, carrots are nicely diced, courgettes are nicely sliced. Let's move you over here, okay, so you can see what's going on. And again, we're going to give that a nice, good old mix. Make sure everything gets coated. Because again, we're not cooking this. It's that we just want to soften things up. And obviously there's quite a lot in this pot, so it's going to take quite a bit to soften up. And you may have noticed I haven't added the onions yet. Well, as I said, because we're not actually cooking it, otherwise the onions would have been in first. They're rather strong and they make my eyes hurt. So we're doing them last. And already, yeah, we have got some water coming off the veg, which is brilliant for making it a bit easier, mixing the seasonings in with all the other veg. So, alright, next we've got some dates. Right, I'm going to be using a spoon to get them out. is already looking quite interesting. I am really quite excited about this one. I am upset about the wait, but good things come to those who wait, as they say. So I will be waiting and counting the days down so I can try it. So, right. Again, just mixing everything in. So now we're going to add those dreaded onions, I said. Alright, I'm going to put the extract on for that. Get rid of that one. Yeah, I was considering doing a tomato one, but I do believe there are so many good tomato chutneys out there that it would have to be absolutely ridiculous and spectacular to catch everybody. And I'm not quite there yet, but this came to mind. As I did want to do a chutney this week and spend a bit of time with my chutney. As I'm in the process of also doing my hampers up, so I will have pictures loaded of that very soon, as soon as I make sure I have actually got them correct, and they will be both on my Insta pages, they will be on obviously YouTube, my study page, and available to buy through Etsy and WhatsApp. Right, so that's the onions in. We can add the rest of the stuff now. So in goes the rest of the sugar. In goes my secret spice. And let's just mix it all in. But yes, as I was saying, I will have, sorry about the pause there, that was a bit of a quiet moment. I will have hampers and baskets available. I'm actually really excited about putting them together. I will have obviously pictures online so you can see what you're actually getting. I know I've been speaking about it, but you guys really need to see it. And hopefully I'll be a little bit more together, because I'm a little bit behind at the moment, but we're getting there. It smells really good. Oh, I'm really loving the smell of this one. And it's quite nice to actually take a change. I know I have my piccalilli and everything, but a lot of them are all basically fruit based. So it's quite nice to take a change and do a pure vegetable one. Right, I'm just going to keep giving this, working this in and making sure the dates are all mashed up. I'm really, honestly looking forward to this one. It's a complete experiment, so can't do but try. Oh, there we go. A massive pan like this and it still goes everywhere. See, that is looking pretty good. And smelling really good, if I do say so myself. Starting to see the sugar starting to melt now, which is lovely. So, and literally guys, I am going to add my final ingredient, and then I'm going to leave it to do what it needs to do. And I play with some hampers and jars. that was it. Again, sorry that was a little bit boring for you. I just wanted to share with you that I am actually making and will have a new chutney on the way. And I just wanted to baby tempt you with how it's looking at the moment. It's beautiful dark colour going on. We've got these amazing smells coming from it at the moment. And that's only just with it being warmed up. So it'd be really nice to see this when it's actually finished in September. Right, there we go. Now that's all mixed in. Again, nice big pot, fantastic. Let's pour our vinegar in. And I'm just going to let that simmer away. While I get on with some more chutney business. Some more posters. Keep an eye out for also my updates. I've got another giveaway update coming, so stay tuned for that. Alright, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I've got nothing more to do. I've got nothing more to say, except I hope this works, I really do. So I'm going to turn this slightly up. Oh, for God's sake, I'm pressing the right button. Alright, and as I said, I'm just going to leave that to simmer. So, there we are, all done. Alright. So hopefully by the end of this I will have something that resembles chutney, and hopefully it will already start smelling something that I want it to look like. So thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for my new chutney Stay tuned for my new chutney available in 2 months. I will keep popping it up every now and again. Take a look at my other chutneys, see if they appeal to you. I recently had my grape and apple with a cheese salad, and it really was amazing. So, and I'm not just saying that because it was mine, it made my salad taste so good. So I'll see you next time, and I'll keep you up to date with this one. Have a lovely day guys, no matter what you're doing. Take care.